Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Sterling Asset Management is reporting that its portfolio have delivered solid results this year despite global market volatility. Speaking at an investor briefing recently, CEO of Sterling Asset Management Charles Ross revealed that its capital to total assets ratio now stands at over 20%.
And our capital to risk-weighted assets is well over 30%. And these ratios compare to the statutory minimums of 6% and 10%, respectively.
Meanwhile, Vice President of Securities and Trading Marian Amar says certain sectors and asset classes stand out as the best bets for investors right now.
In the fixed income asset class, we definitely think longer dated bonds present some attractive opportunities right now. With the Fed expected to cut, those securities are likely to appreciate in value. But we're basically looking at the financial sector for one area, particularly insurance as well as banks, all along the capital structure. So there's senior bonds, subordinated bonds, hybrid instruments. We think there's value all along the capital structure. Those bonds tend to be trading slightly wide of where they're comparable, similar credit rating, similar bonds of similar credit rating in other industries are trading. So there is still some value in the financial sector.
She also gave advice to investors looking to balance between safety and growth in the current economic climate.
I'm not sure what the data says, but anecdotally, I would say people are skewing more to safety than to risk, and I would encourage more risk at this point, responsibly in terms of equities, maybe taking on more equities, going longer dated. I mean, long blue chip equities for sure. I'm not suggesting you go into like penny stocks or something like that, but certainly I think that, just buying the S&P 500 index.
Most categories of fuel will see increases effective tomorrow. Only 87 gasoline and 90 gasoline will decline by $2.81. Automotive diesel will go up by 87 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will increase by 42 cents. Kerosene will cost 78 cents more. The cost of propane will increase by 75 cents, while butane will increase by 40 cents. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. And the JSE index advanced by 158 points, while the junior market index declined by 1 point. The winners included Pulse Investments, General Accident Insurance Company, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, G West Corporation Ordinary Shares, and Sagicor Select Funds. The losers included 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, JFP Limited, ISP Finance Services, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Jetcon Corporation. 20 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $161.17. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.70. The pound is going for $217.10, while the euro is selling for an average $192.52. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.